Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Ed's Metalworks YouTube channel. Been kind of a long, hot summer. Don't do a lot of work in the shop. At least that I'm going to videotape anyway because it's so damn hot. But anyway, I did a yearly maintenance on my overhead doors here. I got 6 total between the house and the sheds. And I just thought I'd give my opinion and my advice on about this overhead door maintenance. It always helps to take care of these things because sometimes they can be a real pain if something breaks on them. But anyway, to start out with, I got a couple of these door lubes. One's a Blaster brand. Another one's a Ideal Door brand. My thoughts on these two, they both came from Menards. The Blaster brand is with all the other lubricant in the lubricant aisle. And the Ideal brand is usually with the garage door parts. Both one end of the store to the other. But anyway, this Blaster brand is a real runny, lightweight, oil type product. It says it's premium silicone, but it's pretty runny, and when you spray it on your hinges and that, it kind of likes to run down the door, which is okay. I think it's good for the torsion springs because it gets down in between them. But as far as the hinges and everything else, even the torsion springs, this Ideal Door Pro Lube, it's a thicker, I don't know if there's any left in here, but it's more of a lithium type grease. It's got a little body to it so it don't run all over the place when you spray it. Here's the Blaster, but it's pretty runny where this stuff's got a little body to it, the Ideal. So I guess my thought there is get a can of each. They're about $6-7 a can maybe. And I think good for torsion springs. I'll point them out in a minute what they are. Good for the hinges and rollers. So anyway, that's that on that subject. What I do is, see, I got a 12-foot door, 12 by 18 on this side. And I think it's a 12 by 12 on that end of the shop. But anyway, I lubricate all the hinges here. These joints, anything that moves, I try to lubricate it, and then shoot some on the roller. This door actually has nylon rollers on it, but I always shoot some on the. There is a bearing in there, but you know, here. So get them all lubricated. This door has like 3 different kinds. It's got this kind down here on the base, just a straight roller. It's got a single hinge, and it's got a double hinge with the roller in it. But like I said, this is the spots I lubricate. And you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but that Blaster lubricating, once you do the hinges, it runs down your door. You gotta wipe it off. But anyway, the torsion springs up there on the top of the door, like I said, that Blaster runs down in between them. It's pretty important to keep them well lubricated because they always are rubbing together, those springs. So that's just my thought on keeping them well lubricated. Also, I spray a little on that drum, cable drum up there to kind of keep the cable lubricated. But that's my thoughts on lubricating an overhead door. The extension spring doors, the ones that stretch down the side of the rail, they don't need lubricant. You can maybe shoot a little on the connection points, but they stretch open all the time. As far as doing this big door, I use my my Little Giant, well, it's not a Little Giant, it's a Gorilla ladder. I think that's the name of it. A Little Giant copy, yeah, Gorilla ladder. But anyway, make sure that you tie off the base of your ladder when you're on a slicker surface. That's a great safety tip, no matter where you're at. I've seen too many people, the ladder slide out from them and they nose plant into the cement. So always put yourself a safety line on there to keep that ladder from sliding out. But like I said, I got 6 of these doors. This door is 9, 10 years old, maybe 11 years old, but so far so good. As far as the operator goes, I just, it's got drive chains on it. I just use a chain lube on that to keep them lubed up a little bit, but, and I leave a lot of slack in that chain, the lift chain, so it seems to work a little better with a lot of slack in it. Don't wear bearings out. Anyway, that's my thought on garage door maintenance. Like I say, I'm no professional by any means. Just a little advice that I give my friends and YouTube, my friends on YouTube. Hope to get back into some good projects here for some content. Got a few in the pipe to come out, but so far it's too damn hot. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you got a little something out of this. Like I said, these 2 brands of garage door lubricants are available at the Menards stores. I don't know if you have Menards where you're at, but I suppose a Lowe's or a Home Depot too. I haven't looked for them there, but anybody that sells a garage door probably sells this too. The blaster's running. The Ideal Pro Lube is more of a thicker lithium type deal. Anyway, again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Ed's Metal Works out.